how to use Notion for productivity. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Notion to increase your productivity. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm on their main website, notion.so, and over here, as you can see, this is how the website looks like. Now what we're going to do is we can go ahead and sign up, and we can also download the application as well. So first I'm going to go ahead and sign up, and then I'll download the application if need be. And the sign up process is very simple. All you got to do is just simply click on Get Notion Free and just simply sign up, either using your email address or continuing with Google or Apple. And then you just simply choose what are you going to be using Notion for. For team, for personal use, for school, it depends on you. I'm going to choose personal and click on Continue, and then it'll take you to your workspace. And over here you can go ahead and get started with it. You can first go ahead and type in all of the notes over here. As you can see, click anywhere and just start typing. Hit the / to see all the types of content you can add: header, video, subs, pages, whatever. Highlight the text and use the menu that pops up to style the writing however you like it. It's really cool. So over here I'll just type, just simply click over here and press the space button. The AI will pop up, as you can see. And if you click the backspace, it'll go away. And if you select the / button, you can go ahead and select all these different options that you can see: image, web pages, videos, embedded audio, code, file, table view, board view. You can change all the types of views that you have. It has a lot of different options, as you can see right here. You can even choose and select the applications that have already been embedded with Notion, such as Google Drive, Twitter, GitHub, Maps, Figma, and many, many more. As you can see, you have different types of text, as you can see, columns, headings, tables of content as well. So you can just simply go ahead and select text, and over here I'll just write create a video on Notion, and this is the task. And if I just simply highlight it, I can go ahead and select all these different options that I have, such as the text option right here. I can go ahead and change it to whatever I want. As you can see right here, I can even add a link to it if I want to. You can comment it, you can make it bold or italicize it, underline it, you can strike through as well, you can mark as a code, create an equation as well, and you can text the color by using these different options that you can see right here. So yellow background with a black text or default, or you can select the different background colors right here. So if I click on red text, as you can see, and I can choose the background however I want to. As you can see, this is how it looks like. It looks really cool and it looks really, really nice. And you can even mention other persons if you have added them over here. Now, this was a general overview, right, over Notion. And now on the left hand side you have all the other options as well. So as you can see, you have quick notes, personal home, task list, journals, reading list. You can add different pages over here, and you can even select different templates and import different templates as well. And you can create a team space for teams if you have selected that option in the beginning when you were creating an account. Now, this was a general overview of Notion. So now let's get into it and see how you can use Notion to get more productive. So as you can see over here on the left hand side, you have a bunch of different options. So this is getting started. Of course, you can delete this once you've, done with it. You've seen it, how it looks and all of that. You can go ahead and delete it. But the main focus is going to be on the other pages. As you can see, you can create different pages by clicking on the add a page button. Now we already have some quick notes over here, some personal home. We have task list over here, journal, reading list, and all of that. So you can go ahead and use this template that is already made, or you can just simply click on the template option and select what you want. So over here you can see you have projects and tasks. This is a template that you can use as well. So over here and over here, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to have your tasks over here, project names, their dates and their project, and the people that are working over here, project tasks and sprints. So sprints are going to be basically quick tasks that you have to do it immediately. There's meetings as well. There's wiki docs. There's also about life. So all the templates are characterized into different categories. It's like student, life, product management, design, engineering, marketing, human resources, sales, support, all of that. So you can go ahead and use that, or you can just simply, create one yourself. For me, I really think that since you're getting started with it, the to-do list is actually really important, and project and tasks are going to be really important. And if you have some meetings and documentations, that you can go ahead and use that as well. But it depends on you. But you can also use the pre-made ones as well. Like for example, in personal home, right? You want to add different goals like yearly goals, travel plans, or movie lists, right? You can go ahead and just simply click on one of this list and you can go ahead and add a movie. So this is a movie that's already been added. I haven't actually watched this, so we'll just simply go ahead and delete them. And over here, you can just simply add a movie and you can put a link as well. And you can create a bookmark if that is what you want. But I already have a bunch of lists that I can use. So you could go ahead and select a list as well. So over here, you can just simply add movie links and you should be good to go. But I think we should move on. Next, we also have yearly goals as well. So, you can go ahead and add yearly goals. So this could be like earning $100,000 over here. I'm not quite there yet. I think I might have crossed the 50% mark or maybe even 60, but I'm not really sure. But you can create these types of goals as well. It depends on you. So this is going to be like your motivation. Right. Next is very important. Right. Let me actually add a page right here. So over here, this is going to be like a to-do list, right? And this is going to be of course, your daily planner if you want. So you could go ahead and add that. So we have this one right here. We can add and change different tasks over here. So I'm going to create a task right here. So I'll just say create 2 videos, right? Any videos I want. And I'll also do 3 biddings on Upwork. We could create a task like that, and we can also add this one as well. So this one is not started yet, and this one is also not started yet. This one is in progress, so we'll just say that. And over here, you can add different assignees as well if you want, and you can add a due date as well. So the due date is going to be right now, which is the 26th. I'll add that. We can even include the time as well if you want, and the time is going to be by 12 a.m. Yeah, I think that's good. Same with this one as well, by 12 a.m. and for this one as well. So you can add these different tasks right here. As you can see right here, we can also add more tasks right here. We'll just say have a meeting with your partner or whatever. And we'll add that. And we can also add a due date as well. And since we have a meeting, we can also add a new page and we can import the template of meetings right here. Now we'll click on get meeting. Right here, we can add different meeting sections right here, weekly team meetings, team stand-ups, and all of that. We can select the calendar view as well, so you can see where your meetings are. You can add list type as well, and you can add mine as well. So over here are going to be the meetings that you have to do, and click on all to view all the meetings as well. So different sections can be used for different things. So it's all very simple. It depends on you and how you want to, you know, set up your day-to-day schedule. It's actually really simple. You can add different tasks over here. As I said before, you can add reading lists. You can even have a journal option right here, so you can go ahead and add different journals right here. So daily reflections, Hawaii vacation, you have so much to be grateful for, 20th birthdays, date with Stuart, and date with Stuart. No, I do not want a date with Stuart, so we'll just remove that. How do I remove that? So we'll just delete that by just simply right clicking and clicking on delete. Oops, date with Stuart. There we go. There we go. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you get started with Notion. It's very simple. You just simply add your tasks, or you can select the template option if you want, or you can just simply create yourselves by clicking on the empty page button right here and getting started with it. You can add a title, add an icon, cover, and comment, and just go ahead and start using it. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you get more productive with Notion. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.